So hey guys, this is actually going to be a really simple recipe for ham barbecues. It's my nan's recipe, and like I grew up eating it, so I'm like in love with it. So yeah, you're just going to need a pan or whatever for the stove, or you could put this in a crock pot as well. A pound of ham. I get the cooked ham, and what you're going to do is just separate the pieces and just lay them in there. Okay, so I separated my ham and it's all in my pot. I'm going to take a separate bowl, and you're going to need some brown sugar, some ketchup, mustard, and vinegar, and sweet relish, and some water. I'm going to get some water and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got 6 tablespoons of water. You're going to take your sweet relish and you're going to add 6 tablespoons of it as well. Okay. And then you're going to have 6 tablespoons of ketchup. And again, you can measure this if you like. And then you're going to have 2 tablespoons of mustard. Sorry, I hate how sometimes it comes out really watery. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of mustard. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm just using the white vinegar. Okay, and then you're going to take your brown sugar, and I add normally about 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then you can chop an onion up as well and put this in with it. Chop it up really fine. Okay, and then you're just going to want to mix that. And this is a really easy lunch, or you know what I mean, you can put it in a crock pot and just have it cooked down. And it doesn't look like much now, but it's really, really good. So I'm going to mix this and I'll be right back. Okay, so my sauce is all mixed, and I have a pound of ham in here. You're just going to dump it on here inside, or in your crock pot, whatever you decide to do. And you're just going to mix it in with your ham. And if you're not going to cook these slow all day, I would put it on low, just simmer it for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's going to cook down, and yeah, a lot of people I know won't say these are ham barbecues, but this is just how my nan makes them. And yeah, definitely give it a try, and it's one of our favorites. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys try this out.